Good afternoon, Judy Allen here in San Antonio, Texas. I am doing a brief live because beginning June 1st, there's going to be a BOGO sale with Stampin' Up, where you buy one of Stampin' Up kits and get another one free. Now, this is totally different from Paper Pumpkin. This is a subscription-based kit. This is Stampin' Up's other kit collections. So all their kit collection items are going to be buy one, get one 50% off. And the good news for you is whichever one is the most expensive one, that's the one they'll give 50% off on. So it's all about buying one, getting one free. You buy two, I shouldn't say buy free. You buy one, you get one 50% off. You buy two, you get two 50% off. Okay? So it's all done in multiples of twos. But with that, I'm going to feature at least a kit a night for the next several nights and go through the kits that I do have and that I have used and share them with you so you can see what they look like in person versus just looking at what it is online. Because sometimes, many a times, things are more beautiful in person than what you can actually see just from a photograph picture, right? So with that, let me go down the hands, and the one I'm going to show you tonight is A Million Thanks. It's one of the newer kits that just came out, I want to say May 1st. So I'm going to show you this one. I made it the other day at Tea Shop while we were visiting with other people. And that's how easy it is to get together and kit together. And that's what I'm going to show you. So let's go down the hands and let me show you what I got. So here we go. This kit has 9 cards in it, but I have to tell you, let me show you these cards. So it's just like if you're familiar with Paper Pumpkin or any kits, you've got instructions, 9 cards here, right? And it goes in here and it gives you everything you need because it's all inclusive. It provides you a block. It provides you, in this particular case, it gives you blue dots. It also gives you dimensionals, and then it shows you the layout and how to lay it out. Here, it also shows you on each card what you're going to need for each card. So you can get the items all out, separate them all out in advance if you want, and be prepared to go. Everything's die cut. You're not having to do anything except assembly. And you're going to have to use minor stamping. So I'm just going to show this to you right here. This is, like I said, Thanks a Million. Give you an idea what it looks like. And then I'm going to show you the cards I made by following directions. I did do alternatives with these because I loved them, and I already have plans for them. So here's one of the cards right here. And what I want to show you is look at that paper. There's no way that you can tell how pretty and reflective that paper is as you look in the catalog. All right? So the card already comes like that. You're putting this one here, which is already die cut. It's paper, and you put on glue dots that they provided. This is already die cut, and the flowers are already printed. The only thing you're stamping is the words here, seriously grateful for you. And you're putting on the embellishments of the black dots here that they show you where to put them. But look how pretty that is. Very pretty, and it's very elegant, too. And you got 3 of those. And then here's this one here. Look at the reflection here on this one. I want you to see it, because that's actually raised. It's, it's put on there like that. It's nothing I did. It's already made that way on the cardstock. All right, and then I did thank you. That's all you had to stamp. The rest of this was all die cut out, already ready for you to assemble. You just had to put the dimensionals in here that was provided in the kit and just position these. I positioned them just like they were on the instructions, as well as putting these black embellishments here as well, too. All right, and here's the third one. Look at the paper here. Look at that. I love it. I really, really love it. It's just so hard to see how beautiful it is without seeing it and getting up close. Again, this was die cut, and you just put on them some glue dots in the center. These are each die cuts, and you're actually just putting them on top of flowers that were already on top of the heart. The heart was already die cut, and you put dimensionals on there. And this was the only thing you stamped, and this was die cut out too. So it's a very minimal stamping, very minimal. Everything else is die cut, and you're basically just punching it out, and then you're just assembling. And I think that's what makes it so beautiful. the thing, besides the paper itself, I love the paper. So then here are the stamp sets itself. So this is a stamp set. So you got a stamp set with this kit. You got what we call an ink spot, and this was Evening Evergreen. This is what we use to stamp the words on each of the tags that we have here. And then it came with an acrylic block. So this was normally $19, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I'll have to double check the cost on that, but I want to say it was around $19. I can look that up. But the thing is, I did stamp, so I didn't have to. It's already got pretty inside on the envelopes. I did go ahead and stamp the leaves. Let me check out that cost for you real quick while I got you right here, just so you know, and I know too. I want to say it was 19, but I want to double check, all right? Because a lot of the kits, it's going to depend if there's a stamp set with it or not, whether it's an ink spot or not. Okay, let's see here. I'm sorry, it's $21. So it's $21. There are some kits that are 19. There's actually some that are 12 that have no stamping whatsoever. So you'll just have to look them up. There's quite a number of kits out there. And I just want to at least show this one to you. And like I said, the next couple of nights, I'll show you a few more. So with that, it's just a short and sweet. Judy Allen here in San Antonio. I put the information out there. If you want more information, I put the link where you can click on the link. And it'll bring you right to the information in regards to this kit. You get all the other details regarding it. All right? So I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow night to show off another beautiful kit that I've made. They're not all cards. One of them is actually I don't know what you call it. It's like a bulletin board, a small bulletin board, 12 by 12 bulletin board. When you say that, yeah, a 12 by 12 bulletin board that you can decorate and do what you want with it. We'll get to that another night. So it's not all just cards, all right? So you'll see that as we make our way to the next few nights, showcasing to you the different kits. A couple of them I haven't finished, so I'll show you how to make the cards. They're very easy. And I love it, the easy directions, and the fact that everything you need is right there in the box. And it's just let me get the box. Let's see, I got a box handy. Let me grab them for you. So you see that these are different because the boxes are different, right? The boxes are a brown box, and they have Stampin' Up on them. Whereas paper pumpkin boxes are usually red, but they could be decorative as well, but they have paper pumpkin. So you know this is just the kits from the kids collection from Stampin' Up. All right? So there's your clue. All right. With that, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Check it out. Check the link where you can go check out more details. See you tomorrow night, and thank you for checking in and checking it out. All right. Be blessed.